I DNF'd my first 50K with 1,000 calories still in my pockets. Here's the math on why excess friction kills more races than lack of fitness. In deep fatigue, if reaching your food takes more than 2 seconds, you simply won't eat it. That skipped 100-calorie gel at mile 40 compounds into a race-ending metabolic crash 2 hours later. Most runners load their vests backward, putting their phone and keys in the accessible front pockets. This is wrong. Your front chest pockets are your combat zone, reserved strictly for hydration and immediate calories like gels or unwrapped chews. But how much do you actually need in that combat zone? Don't guess based on distance. You must calculate based on time between aid stations using your degraded pace, not your fresh pace. If that calculation says you need 4 gels, pack 6. For specific organization, I use a 3-tier system. Tier 1 is front access for hourly intake. Tier 2 is side/rib pockets for solid food, like Bobo's bars. Tier 3 is the rear kangaroo pouch for extra layers and emergency calories you hope never to use. Finally, manage your trash. Sticky gel wrappers in a clean pocket will ruin your race mentality. Dedicate one small Ziploc bag in a side pocket strictly for sticky trash. Keep the system clean, and the calories will keep flowing. Pack smart, eat early, and finish strong.